Will there finally be a vote on the American crypto bill known as the Clarity Act, a piece of legislation that could play a major role in shaping the regulatory future of the entire industry? One signal suggests that Bitcoin may have already reached its bottom and could be preparing for a strong move upward, but Michael Turpin, widely known as the godfather of crypto, believes an additional drop toward $40,000 is still possible. Why Ethereum might be heading towards $3,000 and why XRP could crash by 40% in the short term. These are the topics we'll dive into in today's Friday episode. We truly appreciate your support for our channel. Keep it up and let's get started. The US Senate has officially postponed the vote on the key crypto bill, the Clarity Act, deciding not to address it before Congress leaves for its August recess. This means the industry will have to wait at least until September to see whether there will finally be a progress on the framework meant to bring order to digital asset regulation. According to reports, Democrats blocked a vote before the break, insisting on additional guarantees that the bill would not allow President Donald Trump to benefit financially from the crypto industry while in office. Republicans are not fully united either. Senator Josh Hawley said he would not support the bill unless protections for small banks are added. This delay is not just a procedural pause. The Clarity Act needs 60 votes out of 100, meaning bipartisan support is essential. And even if it passes the Senate, it must return to the House for final alignment before reaching the president's desk. Matt Hugan of Bitwise believes the missed August vote is not fatal and the bill could be revived in September or later this year. The biggest issue remains uncertainty, which keeps institutional investors cautious and prevents the market from finding a stable direction. The latest update around the bill caused a mild pullback. Bitcoin failed to break above 65K and total crypto market cap slipped to around $2.75 trillion. Now let's take a deeper look at Bitcoin and what might come next for its price. Analyst Ali Martinez suggested that the leading cryptocurrency may have reached the bottom of this bearish cycle, pointing to a signal that historically marks major reversals. Is the deviation between BTC price and net capital flows, an indicator tracking real capital movement into and out of Bitcoin. The last time we saw such a mismatch was in late 2022, when BTC traded around $15,000. Capital flows began rising while the price was still falling, signaling weakening selling pressure and early accumulation by large players. The result is well known, a rally from $15,000 to $126,000 that shaped the entire bull market of the following years. Martinez noted that the same signal has now reappeared and we'll soon find out whether history repeats itself. Another positive factor is the return of the whales. According to Sentiment, large investors have been increasing their holdings while Bitcoin trades between $63,000 and $65,000, while small holders have been exiting the ecosystem at the fastest pace since December 2024. This combination is typically bullish and, according to the firm, increases the chances of BTC pushing above $70,000 in the near future. Still, let's not celebrate too early. Many analysts believe the bears will continue to dominate for at least a few more months. One of the earliest voices in the crypto industry, Michael Turpin, dubbed by CNBC as the godfather of crypto, predicted a 66% drop from the all-time high of around $126,000 reached last October, which would imply a crash toward roughly $43,500. Moving on to the second largest cryptocurrency, Ethereum. Once again, analyst Ali Martinez highlighted that ETH has made a key breakout above the 0.8 MVRV pricing band, a zone around $1,800 that historically separates weakness from recovery phases. Every time Ethereum has climbed above this territory in the past 6 years, it has led to strong rebounds. This breakout is important because it shows the market is entering an accumulation phase. Martinez also pointed to the appearance of a golden cross in MVRV momentum, an indicator comparing holder profits to the 160-day average. Similar crosses in the past have been followed by powerful upward moves. According to him, the next major target is $3,000, where on-chain data shows more than 10 million ETH were exchanged, a massive resistance zone that buyers must absorb to continue the rally. Other analysts are also optimistic. Trader Ted Pillows believes holding above $1,800 is crucial, while Michael Van de Pope sees a path toward $2,300 if ETH closes consistently above that level. At the moment, Ethereum trades around $1,900 and has gained nearly 9% over the past 30 days, though it remains 62% below its all-time high near $5,000 recorded last summer. We'll wrap up today's rundown with another popular cryptocurrency, Ripple's XRP. The token is currently trading around $1.03, down 5% over the past week. More concerning is that XRP has fallen below the key level of $1.06, which Martinez highlighted earlier this week. He believes everything depends on this zone, forecasting a potential bounce toward $1.64 if bulls break upward, or a crash toward 62 cents if bears take control. For now, the bearish scenario seems to be in play, so we'll be watching closely to see whether things will get worse from now on. Analyst Egrak Crypto, who is usually extremely bullish on XRP, also shared concerns that the price could drop to 80 cents, calling it the maximum downside. Meanwhile, ex-user Chart Nerd spotted the emergence of a cup and handle formation on XRP's multi-year chart. This pattern typically begins with a large rounded structure, a long decline followed by a slow and steady recovery, forming the cup. Then comes the handle, a short consolidation or slight pullback that acts as the final pause before a potential breakout. The idea is that the market goes through a deep correction, stabilizes gradually, and then takes a brief rest before gathering enough strength for a new bull run. According to the analyst, this could be a very strong signal for an explosive move toward $8, $13, or even $27. Such targets, especially the highest one, sound rather unrealistic at a moment when XRP is struggling to hold around $1 and the entire crypto market has been bleeding for months, but who knows what the future holds. That's where we wrap up, team. The entire Crypto Potato crew wishes you an amazing weekend and see you soon.